Hi, welcome back, students. All right, today Jeslyn texted me this question, and I find it quite interesting. Let's take a look at that. Given that surd A plus B surd 3 equals to 13 over 4 plus surd 3, where A and B are integers, find, without using a calculator, the value of A and of B. Let's take a look. How do we explore these questions? All right, when I put down the equation, it was inquired to us. All right, so what I noticed that there is a square root over this so-called some kind of surd statement. So what I wanted to make life easier is I wanted to get rid of the square root. So what I suggest to do is we square out both sides. So when we square out both sides, we notice that the square root has gone missing, it's gone. But on this side, we get the whole thing got squaring up. So, but it is not going to trouble us also because we learned from the indice rules, the square will effect on the numerator. At the same time, it will also impose an effect on the denominator, as what I have stated here. And as we square the 13, this is what we get. We get 169, and then we square up the binomial of this, we get these three terms. And then when it comes to here, we find that we're quite comfortable. So what I wanted to do is, instead of the the fraction on the right hand side, what I want to do is I want to make it into one single row statement. So I suggest we do a cross multiplication, and that leads us to this A plus B surd 3, and then multiply 19 plus 8 surd 3, and which equals to 169. Let's continue the next page. Okay, from there, we just comfortably expand the brackets that we have here. So A multiply 19, we got here, and then we expand this accordingly. All right, so we got this, and 19B surd 3, this is what we get, and then B 8, and we got B and B and 8, and surd 3 multiply surd 3, we got 3, which equals to 169. And then by putting the two sides, and then we observe the comparison. And what I want to do is, since we need to find two unknowns, which is A and B, and we would come out with a simultaneous equation. Okay, how do we come up with that? By comparing both sides, left and right. We notice that 169 is a constant. So this is the one that I highlight with green. And then we notice that on the right hand side, there is no surd 3 terms. Therefore, we can quite confidently know that they are plus 0. So what we do is we form a simultaneous equation from this. The two green statement left and right, we form this. 19A plus 24B equals to the right-hand side, 169, and we number them as first equation. Then we proceed to compare the surd 3 term, the one I highlighted with blue color. We notice that 8A plus 19B surd 3 equals to 0. And that's how, and then when we divide surd 3 both sides, we got 8A plus 19B equals to 0, and we number them as 2. And as you look at of what we have achieved so far, I'm quite sure you are quite comfortable now, because we have got two linear simultaneous equations. You can take and pick whatever choices of methods or ways for solving the simultaneous equation. From here onwards, honestly, you do not have to be exactly as what I choose to do. So, okay, so you can go and pick your own ways, and which I believe we will arrive at the same answers. Okay, I go on with what I did is I plan to eliminate A. Therefore, I take the first equation. I make the coefficient of both equations to be same. So I cross multiply them to make both of them 152. Then I eliminate the A and leave for me only the 169B and simplify. We got B equals to -8. And then from here onward, we just simply take any of the equations, your equation 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I would just wanted to go for the most simplest. So I just substitute b equals to -8 into equation 2, and I wanted to find a by substituting that. The second equation, we know that it is 8a plus 19b equals to 0. I just substitute the b into the equation, and all the way we got a equals to 19. And there we go. So we got the answer, a equals to 19 and b equals to -8. That's it. We have done this equation, and I hope this solution helps you. And Jeslyn, I hope you enjoy the solution. Please, all of you, you may leave a comment and text me in any place that we need to have further clarification to you. And if you find this is helpful to you, please subscribe and please like my channel. Enjoy and happy learning. Bye. See you next time.